How to turn off location on Snapchat Maps. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and when you use the Snapchat, you also find the option of Snapchat Maps from where your friends can find where you are and the very location that you are based on. But if any day you would like to turn off the location of your Snapchat map so that the people do not find it about where your location is or where you are, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. You have to tap on Snapchat like this. After tapping on the Snapchat like this, now what you have to do is you have to go to the very icon of the very map-like icon on the downside. After you tap on it like this, now you can see the very option of your location. Now in order to hide the location that you are, what you can do is you can just go to the option on the upside here, and here you can see the option of location. You have to turn off the location here, and after you turn off the location, no one will know where your location is because you won't be shown in the Snap map here as well. So this is the way on how you can turn off the location on the Snapchat maps. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.